Okay, welcome back. You're with us here on Bazaar Morning Call. There's 15 minutes to go for the pre-open session. Anuj is here with a quick check on the trade setup. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. Well, I was in Delhi over the weekend, and the one question that I asked everyone was that what led to that big rally on Friday? And the answer that I got was that it was largely on account of, or entirely on account of market sniffing early polls. The general election, that is. You know that the government has made a committee to look at one nation, one election. So if the general election is preponed, because you can't postpone the assembly elections. So if general elections are preponed, then it perhaps is start of a pre-election rally. And if that is the case, then it will have legs. And that will be led by mainly domestic-facing stocks or domestic cyclicals. That's just one theory. Of course, there's no way of knowing whether that exactly was the reason. So last Thursday's low of 19,223 now becomes your sacrosanct level. If you're long in the market, that becomes your stop loss. For today, of course, there are some interesting cues lined up. Dollar index is above 104. Brent is approaching 90. I think that's perhaps the only risk that I see for the market right now. So the US market is closed, so it could be a bit of a field day for domestic traders here. Also, the market's seen time correction of 1 month, but is not ready for price correction yet. That's visible on the screen. Kotak Bank, I think today would be important to see. Let's see how the stock reacts, actually, frankly, instead of preempting. And there will be an impact on the bank Nifty, of course, which showed some life on Friday. Coming to levels, on the Nifty, we closed at the 20 and 50-day moving average. So that ballpark is your support range to work with. On the option side, 19,340. That's your support number. And, of course, the bigger support is 19,223, last series low. On the upside, the resistance comes in at 19,550, the previous breakdown zone, and also 19,625, which is options based. On the bank Nifty, again, you want to see how Kotak moves, but apart from that, the first support is 44,346, the 20-day moving average, and the bigger support is at 44,200, not 43,200. I wrote that by mistake. 44,200, the previous breakout zone.
Okay, Anuj, thanks a lot for that. So that is how Dalal Street is set up for today. So let's, pose these questions to our guests in a bit.